Ginseng, nature's root for vitality and endurance. Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you the incredible benefits of ginseng, a time-honored herb celebrated for its ability to enhance vitality, endurance, and overall wellness. Ginseng has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia, for its rejuvenating properties. Modern science now confirms what ancient practices have long known. Ginseng is a powerful ally for supporting energy, stamina, and overall health. Ginseng contains a variety of bioactive compounds, including ginsenosides, which are responsible for its adaptogenic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds work to support the body's natural energy systems, reduce fatigue, and enhance physical and mental performance. One of the most notable benefits of ginseng is its ability to boost vitality and combat fatigue. Unlike synthetic stimulants, ginseng works gently with the body, providing sustained energy without the jitters or crash associated with caffeine. This makes it ideal for individuals seeking a natural way to maintain energy levels throughout the day. Ginseng is also considered an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Physical exertion, mental stress, and environmental challenges can all drain energy and reduce endurance. By supporting the body's stress response, ginseng enhances resilience, allowing you to perform better under pressure and recover more quickly. In addition to supporting energy, ginseng promotes endurance and physical performance. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ginseng can improve exercise capacity, increase stamina, and support muscle function. Whether you are an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply want to maintain vitality in daily life, ginseng provides natural support for physical endurance. Ginseng also benefits cognitive function. Its bioactive compounds help improve focus, memory, and mental clarity. By reducing mental fatigue and enhancing brain function, ginseng supports both physical and mental performance, creating a holistic approach to vitality. For practical use, ginseng can be incorporated in several ways. Ginseng tea. Brewing ginseng root or extracts in hot water provides sustained energy and vitality. Capsules or tablets. Standardized ginseng extracts offer a convenient and effective way to support endurance and overall wellness. Powdered ginseng can be added to smoothies, shakes, or meals for daily supplementation. Tinctures or liquid extracts, concentrated forms for targeted energy and adaptogenic support. It is important to note that ginseng is generally safe for most people, but some individuals may experience mild side effects such as headaches, digestive discomfort, or mild insomnia if taken in excess. Pregnant women, individuals with high blood pressure, or those taking medications should consult a healthcare provider before using ginseng supplements. In conclusion, ginseng is a powerful natural herb for vitality, endurance, and overall well-being. Its adaptogenic, antioxidant, and energizing properties make it a versatile ally for anyone seeking sustained energy, improved physical performance, and enhanced cognitive function. By incorporating ginseng into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural energy systems, maintain stamina, and improve resilience against stress. Nature has provided us with ginseng as a holistic tool for vitality and endurance. From teas and capsules to powdered extracts and tinctures, ginseng offers a natural, safe, and effective way to boost energy, enhance performance, and support long-term wellness. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of ginseng. Let this remarkable root support your vitality, endurance, and overall health every day.